Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you a new style by Noriko, which is called, I think, Ayumi, in the color NM Venetian Red R. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is also a new style by Noriko called Hana, and it's in marble brown, and I have an unboxing of the style as well on my YouTube, so go and check it out if you're interested. But today is about Ayumi. I have not even peeked. This is available from Adoran's Trendgo. And with my code K20, you will get an amazing 20% off side wide. So, ooh, it's the wrong way around, sorry. I like this color, Venetian Red R. I will put the link to the style down below, so if you're interested in it, you will find it easier that way. Wow. So it comes with a net as we are used to, securely packaged, sitting on a cardboard bit so it protects the lace front, etc. It's a classic bob, I would say, and it has NM fibers, and so does this one. So NM fiber stands for natural movement, which means it's a combination of two different denier thicknesses fibers, so which is what biohair has. So with your biohair, you will have different deniers of your hair, which gives that natural movement, obviously, because it's your biohair. And that's what they're replicated with both Hana and Ayumi as well. So you have basically heat-friendly fibers and regular synthetic fibers put together into one to have the different deniers. And also it cuts down the shine that you would have with just regular synthetic fibers. Now, these fibers are not heat stylable, if you like, because obviously you have the regular synthetic fibers in there as well. But it just gives you that really natural movement and cuts down that shine. So let's talk about Ayumi's cap construction. We have a middle part. Now that's fairly wide, so that means you can part it probably slightly off center as well if you're not a big fan of center parts, which I'm not. I'm not the biggest fan of center parts. On me personally, I think on others it looks amazing. On me, it just doesn't quite work. But you have an extremely extended lace front. Now that runs all the way almost to the end of the ear tabs here. And you have open wefts, sides and back. You have ear tabs that have like a net covering on it. Same, you have an extended nape with some slide velvet and some net here as well, and brassed up like adjusters. Permatease wise, I'm not feeling any touching it, and it feels really, really light. This color is amazing. It's really pretty. I think it's a warmish red. So let me take off this beautiful style and let me pop on this. Let me just shake it a little bit just to remove the fibers from the cap so they move a little bit more naturally. And let me pop it on. Oh, how pretty. The one complaint I have is these tags. They are just slightly annoying. I wish they were put somewhere else so they're not kind of in the way when you want to look at it straight away. Because my first instinct is to look at the tags and not what it looks like on me. I love it. Now that I have put the tags away. Oh, this is just pretty. Let me show you all around straight away before I play with it much more. This is what it looks like straight out of the box, as you've seen. Haven't done anything to it. Wow. Gives you an idea. Oh my goodness. I don't even think you need to do much with this wig. This is pretty much throw on and go, this one. Little bit of a flopper maybe here. So you can remedy that with some hairspray. So wig friendly hairspray, or with some water, put it on, tie it back, let it dry, and then that should sort it. We just put that in the correct space. 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. Oh, this is just the color, the cut, everything is great. Oh, I love it. Easily tuckable, one side, both sides. So let's talk about the density. As you can see, this is low density. Permatease wise, there is maybe a little bit here. It's not really big and pillowy at all. Just a little bit around the open refts, but really just a tease rather than just permatease. This is great. This is great for every day. You can tuck it. Oh, this is just the cutest. Oh, I like it a lot. So let's look at the lace front. Now, look at it. It's really well done. Can't really see the knots. And the actual lace that you have is quite soft. It's quite pliable. So it's not, because some lace fronts can be really stiff and can be irritating and they might be itchy. This one, it feels really soft. I mean, I don't have a problem with lace fronts itching or anything. So I feel this could be for people who might find those stiffer lace fronts irritating, because it is really soft. And the lace front looks amazing. Really well done here. So let's look at the part. Let me just see. This looks pretty good. So I have dark hair and my wig grip underneath it, so that's why you have this weird coloring underneath it. But that looks great. So tell me what you think of Ayumi. Personally, I think this is a triumph, because I think this is great for every day. This will last you. And don't forget, it has that mix of these 2 different fibers, so it gives you that very natural movement. And the shine that you would have with regular synthetic fibers is diminished here. It's absolutely beautiful, I think. So tell me what you think. It's available from Advance Trendco. Use code K20, and I'll put the link down below. And I will have a proper in-depth review of this piece very soon on my YouTube channel, obviously depending on when you're watching. It might already be on there. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye!